Bates Connectors Play Marco Polo with Water, Electrical Safety 101. Ensuring the safety of temporary power lines is crucial to prevent accidents and maintain a safe working environment. Here are some key steps to follow when checking temporary power lines for safety. Qualified personnel. Only qualified electricians should handle electrical equipment and installations. Inspection. Regularly inspect cords and wiring for any damage or alterations. Ensure all equipment is in good working order. Grounding. Make sure all equipment, receptacles, and flexible cords are properly grounded. GFC eye protection. Use ground fault circuit interrupter GFC eye protection for all 125 to 130th volt, 15, 20, and 30 ampere receptacle outlets. Test GFC eye monthly. Environmental suitability. Use equipment rated for the environment, indoor or outdoor, where it will be used. Physical protection. Protect temporary wiring from physical damage and environmental deterioration. Ensure it is firmly secured and enclosed if exposed to potential damage. Lockout. Tag out. Always disconnect power and use lockout. Tag out procedures when maintaining, repairing, or extending temporary power. Documentation. Maintain a test and maintenance log for equipment and cord sets. Keep circuit directories to ensure worker safety. Removal. Remove temporary power immediately after the project is completed or when it is no longer needed. By following these steps, you can help ensure the safety of temporary power lines and reduce the risk of electrical accidents on the job site. In a world where electrical safety is key, imagine a diligent host guiding viewers through essential steps to ensure temporary power connections are safe and secure. They emphasize the importance of proper grounding, GFC eye protection, and maintaining cords in pristine condition. Every move is backed by visuals and demonstrations, hammering home the significance of these measures. But then, a playful twist emerges. With a mischievous grin, the host transitions into a whimsical realm where safety is, well, not the main concern. Picture a landscape where exposed wires dangle freely like festive streamers, inviting anyone and everyone to partake in the dance of electricity. Power cords and outlets get cozy next to puddles, creating a water wonderland with a shocking twist. The jumbled jungle of tangled cords turns everyday navigation into a daring obstacle course. In this imaginative world, outlets are overloaded with multiple plugs, resembling electrified Christmas trees, while weather warriors laugh in the face of rain and shine, leaving power setups exposed to the elements. Cords drape creatively across doorways, windows, and staircases, turning ordinary paths into electrified hurdles. DIY repairs involve duct tape, twist ties, and a dash of hope, with every plug leading to a thrilling guessing game: will it power your device or deliver a surprise jolt? The scene crescendos with the Overload Orchestra, a symphony of buzzing, sparking, and sizzling, creating a high-voltage concert for the daring. Through it all, the host reminds viewers that this is all in good fun, underscoring the importance of genuine electrical safety. With a friendly wave and a reminder to subscribe for more content, the video blends essential safety tips with a playful, imaginative twist, making electrical safety both educational and entertaining. The wild world of reckless temporary power connections. Welcome to a place where electrical safety rules are thrown out the window and chaos reigns supreme. Here's a rundown of what you might encounter. Exposed wires extravaganza. Imagine wires hanging freely like party streamers, swaying in the breeze. They add a touch of danger to any gathering, inviting everyone to join in the dance of electricity. Who needs insulation when you can have a thrilling live wire experience? Water Wonderland. power cords and outlets are best friends with every puddle and splash. You'll find extension cords snaking through wet areas, creating a whimsical water-electricity combo. It's like a DIY water park with a shocking twist. Jumbled Jungle. Navigate through a dense jungle of tangled cords. It's an obstacle course for the brave, where each step could lead to an unexpected jolt of excitement. Tripping over cables, that's just part of the adventure. Unpredictable plugging. Why worrying about circuits tripping when you can overload outlets with multiple plugs? Power strips look like Christmas trees, with every socket filled to the brim. The more, the merrier. Sparks of joy are guaranteed. Weather warriors. Rain or shine, power setups are fully exposed to the elements. Whether it's a sunny day or a torrential downpour, these intrepid setups laugh in the face of weather warnings. Wet hands plugging into wet outlets. That's just another level of fun. Creative cable paths. Cords creatively draped across doorways, windows, and even staircases. Need to get to the other side. Just hop, skip, and jump over the electrified hurdles. It's a real-life game of don't touch the wire. DIY repairs gone wild. Duct tape, twist ties, and a dash of hope hold everything together. Who needs proper repairs when you can improvise with whatever's on hand? Just make sure to keep a fire extinguisher nearby just in case. No labels, no problem. Who needs labels when you can play a guessing game? Every plug leads to a mystery. Will it power your device, or will it power up an unexpected surprise? It's a thrilling adventure of discovery. The Overload Orchestra. With every device plugged in, enjoy the symphony of buzzing, sparking, and occasional sizzling. It's like an electrical orchestra performing a high-voltage concert just for you. Disclaimer. Of course, this is all in jest. In reality, safety is paramount when dealing with electricity. Proper grounding, insulation, and avoiding water exposure are crucial to prevent accidents and ensure everyone's well-being. Always prioritize safety over convenience. Stay safe and keep the humor in the fictional realm. Hey everyone! If you enjoyed this electrifying adventure through the whimsical world of reckless temporary power connections, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share this video with your friends and family to spread the laughs and the safety tips. Stay safe and stay entertained.